In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to design Shopify website. We'll work right inside the Shopify admin so you can confidently shape the look and feel of your store. Start by opening your Shopify admin. From the main navigation, head to online store, then choose themes. This is where your current theme lives and where all visual design changes happen. You'll see a preview of your active theme and the controls you'll use to customize it. Next, click Edit Theme. This opens the theme editor, which has two key areas, a live preview on the right and a left sidebar with all the sections and settings you can adjust. Think of the left sidebar as your control panel, is where you choose what appears on each page and in what order. Use that left sidebar to select sections and pages. At the top, you'll often see a drop down to switch between different page templates like the home page, product pages, and collection pages. Pick the page you want to work on, then click into individual sections to edit their content. As you make changes, the preview updates instantly so you can see exactly how your store will look. Now customize your homepage sections, headers, footers, and colors. On the homepage, focus on clear messaging and strong visuals. Update your banner image and headline to communicate what you sell and why it matters. Arrange featured products or collections to guide shoppers to your best items, and keep text concise and scannable. In the header, refine your logo size and navigation so it's easy to browse. In the footer, add helpful links and policies, plus your store's contact details if appropriate. Under theme settings, adjust colors and typography to match your brand. Aim for high contrast between text and background for readability, and use a consistent accent color for buttons and links to make actions obvious. Preview your changes across desktop, tablet, and mobile views using the device icons in the editor. Most customers shop on phones, so ensure images crop well, text remains legible, and buttons are large enough to tap. Test your menu behavior on smaller screens and watch for crowded sections. Spacing and hierarchy are key to a clean, professional look. When you're happy with how everything looks, click Save. Saving commits your design changes so they become part of your theme. It's a good habit to save regularly as you go to avoid losing work, and that's the process. By navigating the Shopify admin, opening themes, editing your theme, working through the sidebar, refining your homepage, header, footer, and colors, previewing on all devices, and saving, you've designed a polished Shopify website.